What's up, sneaker fam? It's your boy Fabe here, back with yet another one. And today, we're gonna be working on a pair of Count Down Pack Carmine 6s. Released back in 2008, Carmine 6 is one of the most popular Jordan 6 models ever released. This pair has been yellow to the ground, but no worries, Fabes Sole is gonna bring that all back. Let's not waste any more time, let's get into it. Only things you're gonna need, simple. A paintbrush, some saran wrap, and once again, good old bottle of some Fabes Sole Sauce. Now, Fabes Sole Sauce comes double sealed, so simply to start, let's go ahead and unseal that. Unscrew, take off the pressure seal. Now this blue cap, remove that, take some scissors, cut it off. You're good to go. We're good to take our Fabes Sole Sauce and apply it to where we need it. Now in these Carmines, we're simply gonna be doing the soles here and simply gonna be doing these yellowed portions of the sole. Now I can do the white if it was yellowed, but it's just dirty, so we're not even gonna worry about that. So let's go ahead and hit that up. Once again, take your Fabes Sole Sauce, apply it to the affected area like so. Very simple and easy. You only need a nice thin layer. You don't have to cake it on there. Take your paintbrush, smooth it all in. Very simple and easy. If you do happen to get it on the white, it's very good on the white, so have no worry, it's just gonna whiten up that white for you. Don't even worry about it. Once again, you still want to do the sides also as well. We wanna make sure we get the sides nice and icy there. Oh, we had some spillage there, but that's fine. Once again, nice thin layer on the affected areas. Simple and easy. Simple and easy. From there, simply take your saran wrap. Once again, use 2 pieces of saran wrap. Small one for the back, do it the wide way. Just the back half there. Look at that. Look at that. It's perfect. Take another piece. Slightly longer. Do it the long way as well. And look at that. So simple and easy. Perfectly sealed on there. Now, it's time for the baking process. Let's take this outside. After you've covered your soles in saran wrap, you'll simply want to place them under sunlight or UV light if you have one. I do recommend both. Use sunlight during the day and UV lights at night just to keep the process going. And depending on how bad your soles are will determine how many times you have to do this process. For these Carmine 6s, it took me just 2 sessions at 24 hours each session. Simply beyond that, remove the saran wrap, give it a nice little cleaning. And there you have it, folks. You've just restored your Carmine 6s back to factory fresh conditions. Go ahead, give yourself a nice little applause there.
That's not the same shoe.
You know what? Glad you said that, cameraman. Cameraman and everybody else out there that's doubting. Come here, I got something for you. Go ahead, take a look at inside of there. Inside of there, you're gonna see Count Down Pack Carmine 6 insoles. That's number 1. These are from the Count Down Pack. These aren't regular Carmines that you can just go find. These aren't the Carmines with the blue soles. These are Carmines with the clear soles. That's number 1. The second part about that is, even if you did find a different Carmine, a Count Down Pack Carmine that was brand new, it would not be icy. They're old, they would still be yellowed. And now that we got that out of the way, disproving my cameraman and all the haters out there, if this video has helped you out, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel. There's gonna be a lot more videos to come. I'll be having another video that's gonna drop in another week from now. Hopefully we can get that all set. But once again, product link for Fabes Sole Sauce is in the description below. Go ahead and click that link, get yourself a bottle, go ahead and ice your soles. Thank you very much for joining me today.